We can search for it. Oh yeah, and now we have Dev9, as you can see. DevOps, we are live officially on Dextools, okay? When we click it, then we can see DevOps 9 here. We are live on Dextools. Hello everyone, and welcome back to DevOps. If you want to know how you can make money daily with low cap coins and afford things you've only dreamed of before, message me on Telegram and I'll send you more information. Attention! The information in this video can positively influence your life financially. Only watch this video if you really want to make money. Hello everyone and welcome back to DevOps. If you want to know how you can launch your own token here on Dexscreener or on Dextools, then stay and watch the video until the end. Don't skip the video because I will show you step by step how I will perform a live launch here for you guys, so you can just launch it on Dexscreener. And we will pump the chart up and we will also sell the chart. So you will see it live in front of you how to do it, because alt season basically 2025 just started and we have to know how to do that, to just master everything on base, because I think on base will be the big money. So now listen to me. We start with Remix. You need Remix. You have to go to download Remix, and when you have Remix, you go here and take the contract what I provide you. So I'm selling these contracts for money. If you need them, just reach me out on Telegram. I'm selling these. I'm also selling offers here to help you launch your own coin. So basically I'm here for everything related to a coin launch. If you want to do that, just message me on Telegram. My Telegram link is here in the picture or in the screen to see, also in the description down below as always. And now let's just start. So that's my smart contract here for you guys. Here you can add your Telegram group, your Twitter and your website. And when you have done that, sorry, you want to go to the here to the name DevOps. Now I just named it DevOps 2. Let's just name it DevOps 9. Okay. Now it's DevOps 9 and we also will name it Dev9. So now it's renamed. The contract is good to go. That's how fast it is. Okay. So you don't need to do anything else, just like this. And then when you have compiled here, then you go to deploy and run transactions. And when we go to deploy and run transactions, we need to connect to a browser wallet. In my case here, it's the browser wallet is, let's just take Rabbi. Yeah, let's take Rabbi. Okay, 1 second. Now we are connected to Rabbi wallet and we can test something. Let's just see what's up here in the wallet. Okay, that's the wrong one. I want to make everything on here. Let's just see if I have funds on base. Yeah, I have some funds on base, I think. Good. Okay, now let's just launch the coin, I would say. We go back to here to Remix, and then we go to our main wallet and we will deploy this baby here. Okay, we will deploy this baby here. So for that you have to choose the contract name. In my case it's Moron. Take it and we hit deploy. That's all what you have to do. Pending, and now it's asking here to sign a transaction. And of course, we want to sign this transaction here. And yeah, as you can see, it's done. So that's how fast you launch your own coin on the base mainnet. That's basically it. Now you have your coin. But if you want to make your coin tradable here on stuff like Dexscreener or Dextools, yeah, then you need, of course, to add liquidity. And liquidity, we add liquidity on Uniswap, of course. Internet is pretty slow, sorry for that. So we have to open Uniswap. And we go to appuniswap.org. Okay, perfect. Now we have created DevOps 9, as you can see here. That's DevOps 9 now. And let's just check where all the tokens are, because we have to transfer the tokens from point to point because we minted the tokens into the contract. The tokens are now in the contract. And we can see that when we, just 1 second, when we click holders here. Yeah, correct. So the tokens are on the contract. We don't want that. We want the tokens to be in our wallet. And in this case, let's just see where our wallet is. Tax wallet. Okay, that's this here. Perfect. So the tokens want, yeah, they will be here when we mint them now, when we transfer them back. And to do that, just follow the following. Okay, I'm showing you that. So we have to verify our contract, of course. Yeah, go to contract, verify and publish. In our case, it's 26, and of course we take 26. Let's just copy the contract. Now the contract is copied, and we choose single file 26. No license, because we don't need one on decentralized blockchain. And now we go and continue. Okay, now it should work. Okay, perfect. We've just did our contract here really, really nice. And as you can see, we have our contract verified. What that means now, okay? I know it looks complicated, and by the way, if you just don't want to do all these steps here, you just can message me on Telegram. I'm offering that as a paid service, guys. I will help you, okay? I'm offering everything what you can see here as a paid service if you're just too lazy and say, okay, I have the money, I just want someone to do that for me. No problem, I'm here for that. So we go to write contract and connect our wallet. Of course, we have to connect our Rebel wallet, what we just signed with. Ignore all, connect. And now we are connected with base scan, and we can make the MP transfer. Okay, the MP transfer, we want 100% of these tokens. And when you trigger this function here, all the tokens will come into your tax wallet. And in my case, that's this wallet here. Of course, this here, as you can see, all these tokens will come into this wallet here, okay? And we will write it now, write the contract. You know, just wait until it pops up. Confirm, and now you will see that the transaction got written. And when we go back to the token tracker, and we wait a little bit, we go to holders, and we make an update. Then we will just see in a second that the new holder should be me. But that usually takes a little bit. As you can see now, it's transferring. Blockchain takes a little bit to write that, because it has to get verified from different nodes, of course. Perfect. Now every coin is in my wallet, as you can see. We can go ahead and go to Uniswap and add liquidity. As soon as we add liquidity here on Uniswap, we go to pool, create position. As soon as we add liquidity here on Uniswap, you will be able to see our coin DevOps9 here on Dexscreener, Dextools, and all the other dexes here. That's just easy procedure, and I will take you through that now. So for that, we need our contract address, and we need to connect the wallet. We go to V2 position, and we take Ether from base, okay? Because we want to add on base, of course. And now we paste the contract address, and we should have DevOps9, as you can see. Perfect. We take DevOps9, and now we can create a pool. When you create a pool, you will go, the first step, you will take the ETH. You will take Dev9 max, take the supply, copy it, and paste it in here. Okay, now we found the range, so you have to actually take this less ETH to get one Dev9. It can sometimes be a little bit tricky because it depends on your overall supply what you have. Okay, but now we just find the perfect round because I don't want to add a lot of liquidity just to make a test. So $70 here. And by the way, that's all real money what you can see here. I'm not doing it on testnet. I'm doing it live in front of you on mainnet so that we can see our token here be traded. Okay, of course. Yeah, let's just take the liquidity pool here, create, and now we sign the transaction. Sign, confirm. Okay, now we can create the liquidity pool here, as you can see. And as soon now as I hit sign, I will create the liquidity pool. Perfect. Now our liquidity pool is created. And we have actually ETH in the liquidity pool, and we can start to trade. As soon as we start to swap, we should see here our range popping up. Okay, so we go to swap, take the contract address, of course, that we can trade our coin, and we take a little bit of Ether to buy our, coin here. No, that's too much. Let's just add a 0, 40 cents. We make a 40-cent buy. We buy that. It's now we buying basically our own coin. So everything what I show you here, that's from A to Z. So if you have wondered how you can launch on Base, that's basically the video here. What I'm showing you is from A to Z, everything on mainnet. So you are looking into the complete action here, how to launch your own coin basically. Let's just buy a little bit more. No, that's absolutely too much. Yeah, no. Let's just buy $1. No, you know what? Let's just buy 40 cents again, because I want to have the chart going up slowly. Now when we search for our coin on Dextools and stuff, we should actually popping up, you know, Dextools. Let's just see Dextools, what they are saying here when we add our contract address. So my contract address is still here on my clipboard. We can search for it. Oh yeah, and now we have Dev 9, as you can see. DevOps, we are live officially on Dextools, okay? When we click it, then we can see DevOps 9 here. We are live on Dextools, you know, trading range. Let's just go for the secondly chart, you know. So that's the second chart here of seconds. And yeah, basically that's it. We are live here on Dextools, also on Dexscreener. When you go to Dexscreener, search on Dexscreener, we paste it here. And as you can see, I showed you completely how you can launch your coin now on Dextools and Dexscreener. I did everything in front of you basically here. DevOps 9, everything is live. So if you wonder how to do it, just watch the full video now. That's the thing. Perfect. Okay. And of course, internet is really, really slow. We have to reload it. Okay, perfect. DevOps 9, we are here. We want the 1 second chart, you know. Let's just take the 1 second chart here. And yeah, basically that's it. And now we can sell, of course, you know, we can sell, we can make a sell. Just sell a little bit, you know. It will dump horribly, I know, but yeah, whatever, you know. So we are just testing out here. And everyone who comes by now and sees the coin is of course not buying, because we just have $17 in the liquidity pool. Of course, nobody is buying that. And that's what I want. I just don't want people to buy here. I just want to show you guys how we can create green and red candles. And now we have to sign a transaction, I think. Ah, yeah, okay, and then we can see the red candle, hopefully. A huge, big red candle. Now it should come. Yeah, perfect, there is it. So now you can see that everything works. Also here on Dextools, we sold, you know. The chart on Dextools is a little bit funny. That's basically the real 1 second chart. That's not a real second chart here, but that's real second chart. And now let's just dump all, okay? We dump all and we make a really, really bad chart, of course. Just for fun to show you how it works, you know. Yeah, let's just dump all, you know. Boom. Haha. So that's how it looks, yeah, perfectly red. Everything is red. That's basically how it works. And if you want to start your own coin, and if you say, DevOps, you know what, I saw the video and I think you are the guy behind that, you can do that, you can launch my coin. Of course I'm doing that, I'm helping you. Just reach out on Telegram. That's how easy it is. My Telegram link is here on the screen as always. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.